This brings us to the lowest common multiple that can be used. So the lowest common multiple, or the LCM, are very important because we use it to add or subtract two fractions with different denominators. So this is very, very important. So this is the smallest number of two or more numbers that can divide into. So remember the word here, multiple. 12 is a multiple of 3. Why? Because 3 times the natural number 4 will give me 12. So it's a multiple. So we're looking for the lowest common multiple. Here are the steps that you need to memorize. Determine the multiples of each number, and the smallest common multiple that appears will be the lowest common multiple. So let's look. Example for 9 and 5. So 9, the multiples are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. For 5, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So you basically list it until you get to the first one that they share, which is 45, and this will become the lowest common multiple. But of course, again, there's an easier way of finding that. If we just go and we say, I want to find the prime factors of 9, then 9 is equal to 3 times 3. Now I need to find the multiples. Let's try 15, not 5. Let's try 15, because that will help us more to see what we need to do. So I go and I put in 15 equals shift factors, and it's 3 times 5. So 15 is 3 times 5. Now I look at my second one, and I notice here, that I already got 3 here in there, so I must cross this out. So the lowest common multiple will then be 3 times 3 times 5, which is 45. And you can go test that by looking at it again. So 9, the multiples is 9, 18, 27, and then 36, and then 45. And in 15, it's 15, 30, 45. So 45 is the lowest common multiple. You can just do that again. So what are the steps? We first write both of them in their prime factors, and then we go look at the second one. Any numbers that are repeated from the first, we cross out, and we say, well, let's just multiply what is left to get the lowest common multiple. This is very important when we start working with fractions. And one of the biggest reasons why learners are struggling with fractions is when there are different denominators, and we need to find the lowest common multiple to give them similar denominators. Then we need to be able to do this.